Why can parrots talk? Parrots are incredible birds. Listen.
Hello, happy friends! Hello, happy friends!
Wow, this parrot is talking to us. But no, parrots don't actually talk, but they imitate lots of sounds almost perfectly, including the human voice.
I like it. I like it.
They achieve this because of their long round tongue and to a vocal organ they have called syrinx. Other birds, like quaker birds or rooks, are also able to imitate a human voice. But this skill has nothing to do with the act of speaking. It's only an imitation of sounds. Another fun fact is that parrots are monogamous. They form couples which last all their lives. They are very romantic. They are also the only birds to eat with their claws. They usually pick up the food with one of their claws, and with it, they bring it to their beaks to eat it. The truth is that parrots are amazing birds, don't you think?
Bye-bye, happy friends! Bye-bye, happy friends!
Goodbye, parrot! See you in our next happy learning video.
Happy learning! Ta-na-na-na! Ta-na-na-na!
Search us and subscribe to Happy Learning's YouTube channel.